Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Roblox password step by step. This is super important to keep your account safe and secure, whether you forgot your old password or just want to update it for security reasons. First of all, open up your Roblox application to get started. From the home page of Roblox, click on the More button at the bottom right corner. From the More menu, scroll down and tap on Settings. Under Settings, tap on Account Info. Now you will be able to see several other options. Scroll down and tap on the pencil button right next to Password. Now in the Password tab, you'll need to enter your current password in the first field. Enter your new password in the new field right under the first field, and then confirm the new password by re-entering it again in the last text box. Once you are done, click on Update to save your change. And soon after you do that, you will be able to edit or change your password on Roblox. Roblox may ask you to verify with email or two-step verification. Just follow the prompts to complete the process, and that's it. You've successfully changed your Roblox password. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.